Well, Rahul Gandhi and Narendra Modi seem like two contrasting pictures in the future prime ministerial stakes. While the Congress vice president, in his first public address before corporate India, dismissed speculation on the prime minister issue as all smoke, in contrast, Narendra Modi has literally spelled out that his job in Gujarat is finished, and now that he is ready for the big challenge on the national stage.
It was Rahul Gandhi's first address to the captains of Indian industry. In fact, the first ever time that Rahul Gandhi was speaking so extensively. And he gave the impression that he was not a day-to-day, hard-nosed politician, but a visionary for his party and the country.
Give one individual all the power you want. Give him everything. He cannot solve the problems of 1 billion people. Cannot be done. Give 1 billion people the power to solve their problems. It will be done immediately. And listen, if you're expecting Manmohan Singh ji or someone else to solve everything here, you're going to keep expecting it. Somebody else saying, boss, when are you going to be PM? Somebody saying, no, you're not going to be PM. Somebody saying, maybe you will be PM. There's a good possibility. It's like the American polling charts. You know, this is looking at a 47.3% possibility that he might be PM. These are all irrelevant questions. It's all smoke.
He's been stung by the opposition's criticism on several occasions in the past. And referring to remarks for which he has been at the receiving end, today he compared India to a beehive, a comment that evoked much debate and discussion in political and economic circles.
And people call us an elephant. You know, they make that comparison. They call it the elephant and the dragon, right? They call it an elephant. We're not an elephant. We're a beehive. We're a beehive. And it's funny, but think about it. I'll tell you why we're a beehive. Which one is more powerful? An elephant or a beehive? No. Between an elephant and a beehive, which is more powerful? No, the answer is they can't be compared.
A week after being inducted into the BJP parliamentary board, for the first time Narendra Modi hinted at a possible national role, speaking about moving beyond Gujarat.
और इसलिए उस विश्वास के साथ हम अपने देश को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं, हम अपने देश की सेवा कर सकते हैं, ये विश्वास प्रत्येक भारतीय के अंदर पैदा होना चाहिए। अभी गुप्ता जी बता रहे थे, लेकिन पता नहीं क्या कहना चाहते थे। कह रहे थे कि मोदी जी ने गुजरात का कर्ज तो चुका दिया है, अब हिंदुस्तान का कर्ज चुकाएं। इस देश का कोई बच्चा ऐसा नहीं है, कोई नागरिक ऐसा नहीं है जिसको भारत मां का कर्ज न हो। भारत मां का कर्ज सिर्फ मोदी के ऊपर नहीं, हम सबके ऊपर है।